Guys, welcome to Craft with Vinia. So today I'm gonna make unicorn pencil holder. It's really cute, and if you are like, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So the materials are plastic bottle, any size is required, and the scissors, glue. You can use this or this, but this is like sticks nicely. 2 roses. I'm gonna show you these roses. How to make these roses in the video. A black marker, a pen is optional. So now let's get started. First you need to cut the water bottle into half. I'm cutting the water bottle like this. So let's cut this half. Always see the corners should not be sharp. It may cut your fingers, and make it level. It should be soft and level. Soft is optional, but it should be level. Like these. I'm like cutting off the edges, sharp edges. Now it's level. So it's not needed. So this is the pencil holder. It's like this. And now we need the white paper. Like let's trace it with a pen. Like this. Always like put a small inch more, because we need to wrap the water bottle, like the half cut water, like the bottle. So guys, I cut the paper into the bottle's length and put, I'm telling you it's important to put 2 or 1 inch taller than it, so that it like we can wrap it into the water bottle. So we don't have any cuts to our fingers if it's sharp also. But make sure that you need to cut it. When you forget to cut, you can wrap the paper. So I'm wrapping the paper. First I'm gonna put the glue. So we need to apply the glue like this, and let's wrap the paper to it. So we need to wrap it like this, or it should be like correctly like that. Yeah, there should be no wrinkles. Wrap it tightly around it. Guys, mine is loose, so I'm gonna take the paper out and wrap it tight. No wrinkles. Make sure that no wrinkles are there. So yeah, done. So if you have excess paper, take it out. No worries. Excess paper, take it out. I'm gonna cut it out. So guys, this is how we need to wrap it all around. Now we are gonna make the unicorn's face and stick the roses. I'm gonna show you how to make the roses. So guys, this is actually, I'm not making like other YouTubers. I'm making it easy, and it may be irregular too, but it looks good like this. So first we need to have a black pen, any pen you wish. So I'm actually drawing like this. I told you it may be irregular too. So guys, like this, you need to cut it. Like I mean, you need to draw. It's like it should look like gingerbread man. Now cut them. So guys, you need to make it like this. Actually, I will show you. We need to cut the petal, 1 petal off, and stick it like this. So it will be the inner base of the flower. Take the glue stick. I'm actually putting it like this. Glue 1 petal and put it like this. yeah, here you go. Nice, pretty flower. And if you, I'm actually showing this only one stage because there's no time. It'll extend a lot, and so I made a small flower. Like you need to draw. I actually drew five petals. That 5 petals only. You need to draw more like larger. If you draw larger, the flower also becomes more larger. So it becomes like this. So this stage I made for you. So you need to make more petals for the next stage. In this, this small thing I'm gonna show you inside, like what's inside that I'm gonna show you. So nothing but take this and like cut it in irregular shape and crumble it. Crumble it and put it inside like this. So actually you need to fold the petals too. It'll actually look like a flower. Sorry guys, if you want more like if you didn't understand how to make flowers, I'll put it in the comment section. I'll make the flower again. So let's actually make the now let's stick the flowers to the on the pencil one, the bottle. So guys, I told you how to make flower, right? This can be like, you can make the outer base. Just cut one petal and you can wrap it around. I show you the method, right? You can do it like that. So now let's get started and stick the flowers on the plastic bottle. So I have some wrinkles, so put the wrinkles aside, and like here we have the line, right? So on the line put the flowers like this. I'm going to show you how to stick the flowers too. So here's the base and you need to have the glue stick. I'm actually opening it because I don't have convenient. The nozzle has glue stuck in it. So I'm going to show you how to glue the flower. So take this part and only glue that part. Okay, I'm going to show you. So guys, I glued it. You need to glue it like this. See, and done. You need to glue it like this. First let it dry, so then we can proceed it to the next flower. So guys, it dried and you can proceed with the next flower wherever you want, but I want to put my flower here so it looks really cute. I actually put darker color in the base because it attracts it looks more beautiful, and like it also also put the depth effect. So for this I didn't put, because I made 2 different flowers. So this is just a rose and this is like more unique and more good to see. So guys, this is the product. So we are now gonna make the horn. I'm sorry I didn't put it in the products. You just need a cardboard piece. This cardboard piece also is okay. It's also optional too. If your horn, like it actually is a strength of the horn, it makes it strong. It won't bend it. See. So, and the yellow sheet. Here you go. We have a yellow sheet. Just a small piece of it. I'm gonna show you how to. I think everybody knows how to draw a horn. And let's take the pen. So now let's make the horn. Always put sure that it's like, take the outline of your cardboard piece, how much ever you want your horn to be. So I'm gonna make the horn in that thing only. So this will be my horn. I'll show you after cutting it. So guys, this is the horn I made. If you have any pen prints on the front side, you can actually shift it to the back side, which is clean and neat. So now let's take the cardboard piece. Actually first stick your horn. I actually recommend you to stick the horn instead of outlining. After sticking the horn, you can actually make the measurements, like you can easily cut the cardboard piece. Now I'm going to stick it and show you. So this is the glue. Stick it with the glue, whichever glue you have. but make sure that you need to stick the flowers with Fevicol. If you stick it with Fevistick, it won't stick properly. So I'm actually putting the glue upon, like so. Oh my god, it's stuck on it. Yeah, now let's put the horn on it like this. Now let's cut the horn. See, it's like really good. And yeah, if you have any like didn't like the shape of the horn, you can actually cut it too. Like, see, like mine was too fat. See, I'm making it like really thick. Guys, make sure your scissors are not blunt, because I'm actually struggling now because it's really blunt. I need to buy the new scissors because it's really blunt. Yeah, here you go. We have like, take the yeah, this is the horn, so it's gonna be standing here. I mean, sorry, put it always back. Yeah, like this. If you want a little up, you can put it like this. So I'm gonna stick it now. So it's like this inside. Mine's really, I didn't expect to work out. I didn't do any trial before this video. It's like really good, more than my expectations. So I'm gonna glue it. Always stick Fevicol. Guys, a small advice: if your cardboard has strips on it, always stick a paper on it. I think you can, yeah, we can cut it. So yeah, take the front side and yeah. Did you see that? It's like really good, guys. Guys, I have small thing for you. Actually, if you have any glitter pens, you can actually draw the horn shape, but I don't have any glitter pens. They're over, and we are staying in quarantine now because it's not safe to go outside. So my mom isn't allowing to go. So see, did you see it? Like this on the glue. Like I told you, right? The nozzle isn't like that good. Yeah, put a little. Don't waste your glue. It's coronavirus time now, so I'm spreading it. Yeah. Oh god, guys, I made a big mistake. So you need to actually put it here. No worries, don't make mistake mind like that. So I'm gonna show you after it dries. So guys, I actually put the glue on the horn too. If it dries, it really looks shiny and it has like that transparent and like clean texture. I mean, it has clean and soft texture. Let it dry. I'm gonna show you how it looks. So guys, it takes a lot of time to dry, so I'll show you the final product afterwards. So now we need to draw the eyes. Guys, be really careful by drawing eyes. If you do once mistake, it will be a mistake forever. So here I'm drawing the eyes. A smile, little smile. So I always draw lashes for the unicorn to look cute. So again, you need to draw like the, what do you call, the eyes with the sketch pen. I'm drawing it with the sketch pen. So guys, this is how it looks. The final, not the final product, almost the final product. So this is the final not the final product. So if it's your wish, like if you want to write your name, you can write. And I'm not writing my name because it's really long. My name is really long. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna write my name and see if it looks good or not. So guys, this is the final product. I actually wrote my name here at the back so it doesn't miss. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video and share the video, and of course, if you like the video, you need to subscribe. I'm not demanding you, but if you really like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye. See you next week.